How to open HSBC bank account in the UK for the international students. First of all, go to the Google and search for the HSBC UK. So this is the official website. So we are going to open this website. Now here you can see the three dots. So we have to click on this. And this is the first option, banking. So we have to select this banking option. From here we need to select which type of account we want to open. Currently in this video we are going to open international student account. So I am going to select it. Scroll down your screen little bit. HSBC bank account for international students. You can read all the features and the benefits of this account. So basically right now we are going to click on how to apply. So click on how to apply. You need to read all eligibility criteria carefully. Now scroll down your screen little bit. First of all, who can apply this account? You need to be 18 plus. Also you need a valid ID or proof of address in the UK. And also we can use our passport to open this account. So scroll down your screen little bit and click on apply in the app for solo account. So you have to download this application from the Play Store or App Store. Click on the install. Now open the app. So account opening process in Android or iPhone, it's similar. We just need to scroll down our screen little bit and in the bottom we will find the continue option. So we have to click on continue. From here you need to accept all the cookies or you can decline optional cookies. It's completely your choice. So from here you need to read all terms and conditions carefully, and after that in the bottom you will find this checkmark box. So we have to click on it and now we have to click on the continue. Welcome to HSBC UK. So click on get started. Start by telling us about you. So from here friends we need to scroll down our screen little bit and you will find two options. You are new to HSBC or you already have a bank account with us. So we have to select this first option because we don't have any HSBC product. So I am going to click on this. Hey there, your application will only take a few minutes. Scroll down your screen little bit and after that we have to click on let's get started. So before we apply, we need to read all eligibility criteria carefully. Scroll down your screen little bit and after that we have to click on got it. So first thing they are asking, where do you live currently? If you currently already switched to the UK, then you can select the UK, and if you are currently living in your country, then you have to select your country's name. So basically right now I am in the UK, so I am going to select UK. Now in the bottom you can find the continue option, so we have to click on continue. So this is the important information. We have to read all these things carefully and after that scroll down your screen little bit, scroll down. And in the bottom we will find the continue option, so we have to click on this continue. So HSBC Bank also have overdraft services. This is really a good option if you want to borrow money from the bank. Read it carefully, scroll down your screen little bit and in the bottom definitely you are going to find the continue option, so we have to click on continue. So now you need to set up your mobile banking PIN. So by using this PIN code you can log into your mobile banking. And please note that this PIN is not for your card. So click on the continue option. So now we have to create a 6-digit mobile banking PIN from here. So create it. So after creating your PIN, they will ask you to please confirm your mobile banking PIN again. So you have to re-enter your PIN here. Please wait for a while. Thanks for setting up your PIN. So now scroll down your screen. So now we have to confirm our identity. For that we need to scroll down our screen little bit and in the bottom we have to click on the continue. Now they are asking which ID would you like to use. You can use your UK driving license and also you can use your passport. And friends, please make sure HSBC UK don't accept Greek and Romanian national ID cards. So I'm going to select my UK driving license. So I'm going to click on it. And if you don't have driving license, then you can use your passport. So in the bottom, you will find this continue option. So we have to click on this continue. So now friends, they are asking you to upload the front photo of your document. And if you are using your passport, then it's very easy. Select the passport, click on the continue and you just need to upload the front page of your passport only. So now go back. I'm using my license. So now we have to click on the continue and allow the camera permissions. So now we have to take the front photo of our driving license. So they are asking, is your photo clear and readable? So yes, it is. So I'm going to click on looks good. If you want to retake, you can retake your photo. So now I have to take image from back of my document. So click on the continue. So let me take my picture. So now you have to take a selfie of yourself. So before taking selfie, you need to follow all the instructions carefully and after that click on the next icon. So your selfie has been captured successfully. Now we can continue to next step. So we have to click on the continue. So they are checking our details. Something went wrong. Sorry, it seems to be facing something technical issue. If you got this type of pop-up, then you need to recomplete your process again. So friends, that was the problem of my device. So I have changed my device and now I have successfully confirmed my identity. So now we have to click on the continue again. So after ID verification, they will ask about your mobile device. So here you need to enter your UK mobile number. And after that, we have to click on send code. So you are going to receive a 6-digit verification code on your mobile number. So enter that code here. And after that, we have to click on continue. So now here you need to enter your email address. So after entering it, we have to click on the continue. So from here, you need to select your title. So after selecting it, click on the continue. So they are asking in which country you are born. You have to select your country of birth. Now click on the continue. Select your nationality from here. And now again we have to click on the continue. Do you have any other nationalities other than this country? If yes, then you can enter that, and no, then you can enter no. So now we have to click on the continue. So here you need to enter your residential address. So click on this residential address. So you have to search our UK residential address from here, and you can also add your address manually. So now click on the continue. So they are asking when did you move to this address. You need to select date from here. Now click on the continue. So what's your current living situation? Do you own this house or it's rented and you live with your parents? So you have to select right option from here. Now in the bottom we have to click on the continue. Where did you live before? You have to select that address also. Now we have to click on the continue. And also they are saying when did you move to this address? So you have to enter your date and year. So now click on the continue. So now they are asking where are you a resident for tax? You can add up to 3 countries. Now click on the continue. So now which type of account you want to open right now? If you are an employee, then you can open this account, and if you are self-employed, then you can use this account. If you are a sole trader, you can use this account, and many type of accounts are available here. So right now we are going to open a student account. So we have to select the student account and now click on the continue. Please tell us your annual income. So you have to enter your annual income in the Great British Pound, and after that click on the continue. What will you use your new account for? You can use for everyday banking, savings and investments, education funds, repaying loans and mortgage. Many type of options available here. So I'm going to use for the everyday and for my educational funds. So after selecting it, click on the continue. And by chance, if you want to send money from the UK to your countries, then you also need to select this international payments option. But right now I'm not going to send international payments, so I have untick it. Now click on the continue. So from where your money is going to come in this account. So you have to select right option, and after that click on the continue. But make sure if you are going to receive money from the outside the UK, then you have to select this option. So now I am going to click on the continue. Will your first deposit come from the same source as the money regularly paid into this account? So I'm going to click on yes. Now click on the continue. Friends, a polite request. Please hit the like button, and if you're facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. How much do you expect to save or invest in the HSBC UK in the next 6 months? So you have to select the amount. Now in the bottom, click on the continue. So now they are asking how bank will contact you. You have to select the option. So I am selecting the email and the SMS. You can select all of 3. So if bank have to contact you for the anything about your application, about your account opening process, then bank can call you. So you can also activate this option. So right now I don't need this, so I'm going to disable it and click on the continue. Great, let's submit your details. So now we have to open the bank account. So I'm going to click on submit and continue. So they are going to find a best account for us. So wait for a while. So HSBC Bank suggested me to open this account. So I have to read all the features and the things about this account, and we can read all the benefits of this account on their website also. So now I have to click on open bank account. Thanks, we have got your application. We just need some time to review it and we will be in touch soon. For now you can close this application. So friends, I waited for 24 working hours. I got this type of interface in my application. So now they are saying your account has been opened successfully and this is your account number and sort code, but I hide details due to privacy issue. Now we have to scroll down our screen, and here you can see the continue button, so you have to click on it and it will arrive within the 7 working days. So after receiving your card, then you can create a PIN code for your card, and after that you can add that card to your digital wallet as well. Now we have to click on this continue. So now almost there, we have completed 3 steps successfully. So now we have to set up a user ID and password for our mobile banking. So click on continue to set up. So create your username from here. But before creating your username, you need to follow these instructions. And after that, click on the continue. So now they're asking you to create a password for your internet banking and the mobile banking. And you need to enter that password here again and then click on the continue. So now friends, our setup has been done successfully. You can see here, you have successfully registered for HSBC UK digital banking. And now you can use your mobile banking and internet banking by this application without any problem. So now directly you can click on the continue to log on and you can use your HSBC account. So still if you're facing any problem regarding HSBC UK, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. Thanks for watching this video.